Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to create a basic full stack application using Node.js. This video, we will create a basic backend server using Node.js. Let's begin. First, go into the terminal and create a folder. Name it as Express. Once you create the folder, go into the folder. After getting the folder, we are going to initialize the npm package. Once you initialize the package, go into the Visual Studio Code. Once you enter in the Visual Studio Code, create a file called index.js. Before that, we have to install the Express module to create a Node.js server. npm install Express. Once the dependency is installed, we are going to create a variable called Express. Const Express equal to, we are going to call the module name Express. Once you call the Express module, we are going to create another variable called app. And we are referencing the Express function inside the module. Once the app variable is initialized, we are going to access the method inside the app.listen. The server should listen inside the port 3000. In this, we are also creating a callback function. Also creating a function and printing that the server is listening in port 3000. Now we are going to call a get function app.get. In this app.get, you have to pass two things. One is string and another is a function. Inside the string, we are going to initialize the slash. After that, we are going to pass a function, and the function takes two arguments, request and the response. And we are going to send the response to the front end. This is the boilerplate code of Express.js. We created the Express backend using 10 lines of code. Now we are going to run the Express.js backend. Node index.js. The server is listening on port 3000. We are getting the response from the backend. Follow from backend. Thanks for watching this video.